Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. Have you ever updated an app and felt the new version looks worse, becomes more complicated, or drains more battery? Sometimes you just want to go back to the older, cleaner version. The good news is you can downgrade apps on your iPhone or iPad, even on the latest iOS 26, and the best part is, no computer and no jailbreak required. For example, I want to downgrade YouTube because the latest version doesn't feel as smooth to use. But if you check the App Store, you'll notice there's no option to downgrade apps. So if you want to downgrade apps on your iPhone or iPad, this video's for you. Step 1. Install the IPA installer. First, we need to install an IPA file. If you watched my previous video about installing IPA files, you can grab the files from the description and skip this part. If not, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything, step by step. Open Safari and search for AppleJR.net. I'll also leave the link in the description. Tap Scarlet, then scroll down and find AppleJR DNS. Tap Install. This helps prevent your installed IPA apps from getting revoked. Next, open Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Tap AppleJR v2 and tap Install. Return to the home screen and you'll see AppleJR installed. Step 2. Install the IPA tool. Go back to Safari and tap Signer. Here you can import the IPA file you want to install. Search for DLIPA in Safari. The first result is usually its GitHub page. You can also download it directly from the video description. After downloading the IPA file, return to AppleJR.net. Tap Upload IPA, choose File, and select the IPA you downloaded. Next, choose a certificate. My recommendation: always pick the first certificate in the list, since it's usually the newest and most stable. If it fails, try the second one. Tap Sign IPA. Wait a few seconds, then tap Install IPA. Return to the home screen and the app will start installing. But before opening it, you need to trust the developer profile. Go to Settings, VPN, and Device Management. Tap the new certificate and choose Trust. Then tap Allow Restart. Your device will restart and show a ready-to-install profile page. Tap Install Profile and the device will restart again. Don't worry, this process is safe. After the restart, the app will be verified and ready to use. At this point, you've successfully installed the IPA tool. Step 3. Downgrade the app. Open DLIPA. Tap Accounts, then tap the plus icon in the top right and log in with your Apple ID. Don't worry, it's safe. I've tested this on 3 different devices. Once logged in, go to Search and look for the app you want to downgrade. For example, I'll search for YouTube. Tap it and choose History Versions. Wait for the versions to load and you'll be able to download the exact version you want. After downloading, tap Downloads, then Install. Tap Installation Method, then follow the instructions carefully. Tap Download, then Agree. Next, go back to VPN and Device Management page. Install the profile. Next, go to Settings, then General, tap About, scroll to the bottom, and open Certificate Trust Settings. Enable DLPA. Once that's enabled, return to DLPA app, tap the app again, and install it. And just like that, I've successfully installed an older version of YouTube on my iPhone. Okay, the old version of YouTube has been successfully installed. You can check the version number to confirm whether it is the older version. Yes, it worked. This is how to downgrade apps on iPhone and iPad without jailbreaking or using a PC. Give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Mick, and I'll see you in the next one.